this is Poonam Shukla, UR1 for CS028, and this is my sixth lab experiment for System Software and Compiler lab. And this is basically we are making assembler for SIC machine for like if you are giving, so assembler should generate the object program, object code for a given program. So here I am using 3 files. So here you can see I'm using 3 files. This is opcode. Here you can see opcode sts. These my opcode tables. So this is the opcode table file, and this is the address generated for the all the program. So and this is the input file what I'm using for what program I'm generating the opcode. So let's get started, and now I'm going to explain my program, this program to you. So we are using buffer read and write for getting the input from the data and then writing into it, and so that's how we are generating the address by incrementing it by 3. So this location counter you can see here. So location counter, it's getting increased by count of 3 because if it's a program or opcode number, and if it's so I'm gonna explain it now. So here it's reading from my input file. So whatever my input file is containing, if that input file it's containing the start, so it will split according to the space, and then the start will have the length. It will become the C. The title means C. The first the name will be shown, the program name will be saved here in the title, and then it will get my second value to the integer, and that will start. Or if the start is not there, then it will just set the 0 to start, and the location counter will start from there. And L, if it's not containing end part, so it will go to the location counter. This is my function I am giving. So this function I explain it to you later, what's happening with if end is not showing, and if it's end showing, so what on the date object code will be generated. So this is the length will it will get decreases if by the location counter minus the start what I already saved it, and then we are starting it, so that's why. And now the write and the we have closed it. So now this is my the where the object code is generated from where, so it's reading from that file, and that file, if it's containing the start, then it will say that it's my header program, and then it will convert into hexadecimal value. And if it's in the end, then it will say that it's an end program, and then converting the address containing the start address to hexadecimal value, or else the counter will be go to pass-to function, that will be the text file. So text file which will contain the address of the program and the length of the uh, program. So this is, now we are closing our B1 because we have read the whole thing, so we have to close it after reading it. And now how the text record is generating. Text record, it will contain everything. um, so text record, it will contain that a text record, it will so first text is coming, so it will convert that into hexadecimal and increase it, and then show the increase it by 3, and then it will show first the text, the length, and then the starting address from where the text record is starting, and splitting it with this. And then what was saved in my C2 was containing the text, that will show the object code converting into a hexadecimal value, whatever addresses are coming, so it will converted until then. And if my reserve word is coming, so it will multiply that value with 3. If reserve byte is coming, it will just show that value. If word is coming, then object will come, with object code, whatever object code is come, and the value, and it will get increased by 3, and then the object code will be seen. So that's how we are getting the text record. And this is for showing the this update, we are updating the symbol table. So symbol table, but is my output table. are my symbol tables. So here what's happening is it's again from the hash table where it's everything is symbol table, what the value we are getting and all we are taking here, and we are taking here this the yeah. So if it's not showing until then it will go. If it's not showing the end file, then it will come here this function. In this function it will match from the every value whatever the name and what is the opcode is coming, what opcode is coming, and then if that thing is there, it will means if it's not containing matches, then it will show the current value of C1, and then it will or else it will already exist, means if it's not exist, then it will have to define into a symbol table, uh, uh, or it's already there, or if it's not matches 1 to Z, then it's an invalid label will be generated. And if it's encountered the word, then again it will convert into hexadecimal value, and then that value uh, will be seen. And for reserve byte, to multiply by 2, and for that reserve byte, it will show this thing. And then after that, my hash table will contain everything. This op table, whatever it will, the opcode table will generate everything, and it will uh, by this method it will be seen. So now I'm going to execute it. So you can see my object code is generated, the object name and the starting address and the length, and then text level means first address and the length, because 3 only is there, that's why it's showing 3. So, and this is the end record. So this was my 6th System Software and Compiler Lab.